So welcome back to the shop. I'm going to be setting up the neck for routing. First thing we have to do is get a center line placed, and then we're going to draw out where we want to put the truss rod in to the neck. That's going to be the key, is to get that truss rod in. And then there are going to be various bits and pieces, but the next is going to be primarily setting up to install the truss rod. Hello again. So a couple things that I just found out when I went through my video from what I just did. It turns out I was actually using time-lapse instead of hyperlapse, and so I didn't get a whole lot of things on screens on tape just because of the fact that there was not enough time. Anyway, what I did, and I'll turn this around so you can see, I've got the main truss rod channel routed. I did have a little bit of a problem right in here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I had to add a little bit of extra wood there because for some reason my router bit slid down and created a deeper channel just in this little area here, which is really kind of weird. Anyway, shouldn't make that big of a difference. I routed it flush, so there's only going to be a tiny little bit there. Shouldn't make any sort of difference there. The next step is actually just going to be widening out this area here to allow the rest of the truss rod to sit flush deep within the truss rod channel. All right, that's where we are right now. Okay. Okay, so this is what we have. We've got the truss rod sitting nice and flush down underneath what will be the fretboard and neck. And there's the other end sitting nice and flush down in there. This is all going to be covered over with the fretboard.